Still wasting hours searching for business phone numbers? Your sales team is ready. Your product is amazing. You're set to close deals, but there's one huge problem. You don't have the right phone numbers. You're stuck with outdated, incorrect data, and every wrong number, that's a lost opportunity. And while you're still searching, guess what? Your competitors are already making the call and closing the deal. But you don't have to lose another lead. CUFinder helps you find verified, accurate business phone numbers in seconds. Just the right contact info at your fingertips. And the results? 75% reduction in search time, fewer failed calls, 20% more closed deals just by having the right number. Let's take a quick look at how simple it is on CUFinder dashboard. First, make sure your list is compatible. Use an Excel or CSV format with column names in the first row and up to 10,000 rows. Once your list is ready, click Create your first list or new list if you've already created others. Choose the list type. Select companies if your list includes company names, domains, or LinkedIn URLs. Name your list and upload your file. Just drag and drop or select from your computer. On the next page, review the data CUFinder has read from your file. Easily delete any incorrect or unnecessary rows. Now click Enrich and select Find Business Phone Number. Choose the column you want enriched, like company domains or LinkedIn URLs. For this service, 2 credits per row. And if CUFinder can find the data, you won't lose any credits. Click Run Action and watch CUFinder do its magic. Once the process is complete, verified business phone numbers will appear right next to your company data. Finally, download your updated file by clicking the download button at the top right of the dashboard. And that's it! Stop losing leads because of bad data. With CUFinder, you'll reach the right people faster than ever. Ready to supercharge your sales process? Let's get started.